Hey guys, again, welcome back to my channel, Anxiety, your online IELTS mentor. So today also I come up with a happy news. Today we had our IELTS exam and it's the review video regarding today's 27 June 2020 real IELTS exam review. Okay, as you already know, IDP started to conduct their exams and the first exam was on 25th of June and we already posted the review. So, in this pandemic situation of COVID 19, they took all the precautions to ensure the safety of the student and they conducted the exams in the following location. So, here you can see the locations Anand, Angamali, Bangalore, Calicut, Kochi, Kollam. The most of the places were in Kerala, and my student also wrote their exams from Calicut, Trivandrum, and all, and they said that it was a wonderful experience during this pandemic time and they took all the precautions and the seating arrangement was really fine, and there was a proper distance between, they maintained the social distancing between the students, and those who don't wear the mask, they already provided the mask and also hand sanitizer, and they already sanitize their bags, their sandals and everything, and after that only they allow them to enter into the hall. And before that they went for 5 round of checking for temperature, then for biometrics, then registration, passport verification and everything, and they maintain 2 meter distance between the candidate too. As I told you before, they only allowed 4 candidates at a time in a counter to ensure the social distancing, and 5 volunteers were arranged there to take the biometrics and all. Anyway, the seating arrangement was also good. They arranged the seat for 50 to 54 students, and they maintained proper hygiene too. Anyway, we can see how was the exams, what about the questions and all. While starting from the listening section, the part A was a fill-up, and part B they got map and MCQs. Then in the part 3 they had MCQs and match the information type question. And in part 4 again they got fill up, that was one word only fill up. This time it was like the 2020 same format. Because in 25th exam they didn't get any map or the fourth section was MCQ. Anyway, it is back to normal. In fourth section was fill up, and the listening section was quite easy. And moving on to the reading section, about the reading section overall they told that it was easy only. And in section 1 they got true false not given type question and also fill-ups, and in section 2 they got list of heading type question and again fill-ups along with MCQs. And in part 3, they got match the information type question and true false not given type question again. It was not yes no not given type question. In section 1 also they got true false not given, and in section 3 also they got true false not given type question. And again the repeated question was fill up type question. This time the MCQs was really the 5 to 6 MCQs only they got. Anyway, the reading section was quite easy. Moving on to the writing section, in task 1, again as same as 25th exam, they got bar graph, a single bar graph. And in writing task 2, again like 25th exam, they got discussion plus opinion type essay. So here I will show you the question. Some people think that zoos are cruel and should be closed. However, some people think that zoos are useful for protecting rare animals. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So it's a discussion plus opinion type essay. So you already know what's the structure of discussion plus opinion type essay. We want to discuss both sides, and along with that we want to state your opinion too. Okay, so you can write it as a third body with the explanation and example for your opinion, or else you can write in the introduction as thesis statement and you want to restate that in the conclusion. Anyway, I will show you the model answer here. So here you can see the model answer. First you can see the introduction. Zoos remain popular places for people to visit for entertainment and to learn about wild animals, although some people are of the opinion that zoos can provide a sanctuary for the endangered animals and so should be kept open. I believe that the cruelty that animals suffer outweigh this benefit and that they should be shut down. Then along with that, you want to state your plan too. Here I will discuss both perspective with examples in upcoming paragraph. So you want to include you want to paraphrase the question statement along with the thesis statement and also the outline statement. Now moving on to the first body paragraph. These days, animals are under the threat from human in many ways, seen for example in the way that their habitat are being destroyed through the cutting down of rainforest or through poaching. Following on from this, the argument is that zoos protect some of these animals that are under threat. The reason is that they are in a safe environment managed by trained staff who can ensure the animals are looked after and can produce offspring. There are examples of successes in this respect, such as with pandas, which have been endangered for many years but have been protected. So, we already state about the first argument. Then in the second body paragraph, we want to state about the second argument. However, there are more convincing argument for why zoo should be shut down. Firstly, even though some species are under threat, there are a lot of animals which do not fall into the category and who are there just for the entertainment of visitors. While it may be fun and educational to see them, animals are not meant to be caged and their distress can often be seen in the way many of them pace back and forward all day. Not only this, if the prime reason of zoo is to protect animals, this could be done in other environments such as wildlife parks where the animals have more freedom. Okay, so we state about the second argument with explanation and examples. And then in the third body is optional. If you want to explain your opinion in detail means you can add. That means it should not be a repetition of the same thing which you already stated in the two body paragraph. If you have any additional points to be said under your opinion means you can add third body with explanation and example, or else no need to add the third body. You can state your opinion in the introduction as thesis statement and also you can restate that in the conclusion. Okay, now we can move on to the conclusion. In conclusion, animals should be protected, but this does not have to be in zoos. Zoos are cruel to animals, not similar enough to their natural habitat, and they should be closed down. Okay, just we want to restate our opinion again with main points. So that's the model of the essay. And after the exam, they got a brochure regarding new method of speaking test from the exam center in most of the exam centers in Kerala. So here is the brochure. You can see that. So they explained everything in detail, but this facility is available in some of the centers only. Okay, so you want to inquire whether this facility is available in the test center which you are going to apply or you are going to attend your exam. So here you can see that. Get ready for test day. Video call speaking test. Same speaking experience, same certified examiners, and same test you trust. Get ready for test day. For IELTS centers offer IELTS video call speaking test. That means you do your speaking test at the IELTS test center via a high definition video call. So, how is the video call speaking test delivered? An IELTS team member will guide you to your speaking test room and to verify your identity. Once you have your noise cancellation headset on, you can start your speaking test on a high definition video call with the examiner who is based in another test center. You can expect crystal clear sound, secure fast connection, and real life conversation. So, as usual, only, but it should be in a video call. So, how does the video call speaking test work? So, here you can see in the upside. One test day, we guide you through IELTS World leading security and identity verification systems. The test will be delivered over video call by a certified expert speaking examiner, enabling real life, real time two-way communication just like in the real world. The video call speaking test is exactly the same as the in-person speaking test in terms of content, scoring, timing, question format, and security arrangement. All everything will be same as the real speaking test only. Then what all are the quick tips? What all are the things you want to follow while taking these exams? Speak at your normal voice and pace. That means as you speak normally, like in the same volume and to the speed, you can see the examiner and the examiner can see you. So maintain normal eye contact. Always feel free to ask the examiner if you do not understand something, means you can freely ask them. We are here for you. Avoid touching your face, mouth, and any stationary items during the test. You do not need to touch any of the equipment. Our team will do that for you. So you do not want to do anything. So everything will be same as the real test only. You want to maintain the eye contact. You can freely ask anything with the examiner, but no, and you don't want to make any mannerisms. So it's like the real test only. So here you can see one experience. To my experience was very good, as the quality of video call was very good and the staff members are also very nice. Overall, it was a great experience by IELTS test taker J. So video call speaking tests are only available in a selected number of centers. So if you have any queries, please contact your test center staff. So that's all about the brochure. So this test may be come true in the coming days. So anyway, we can wait for that. You can inquire that with your test centers whether these facilities is available or not. So that's all about the new method of speaking technology, and that's all about the review section. So if you like this video, please give thumbs up and share with your friends who are planning to take their IELTS exam on the coming days. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, means please do subscribe my channel for the updation related to IELTS, and enable the notification icon and click on the all icon too. Please select the all option, then only you will be notified about the all videos which I am going to upload. And along with that, I'm providing online classes too. If you are interested to join, means you can catch me in this WhatsApp number, or else you can write me in my official email ID. So see you on next video. Stay tuned and I will be back soon.